Hello, how are you? Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we will see how to add input device or mic in OBS Studio. So, first of all, you will find this tab Sources. Now, let's click on plus sign. When you click on plus sign, then audio input capture is written here. You have to click there. Click on it. Now it will ask for name. You can give it any name, and after it click on OK. Now here you will have to select your mic, either it is external microphone or microphone array. I will select this, or you can select this, or anyone which is default. After it you can click on OK. Now you see your mic come here. When you speak, this will vibrate. Now you can see also from here which mic you are using. Okay, it is so simple, and even you can also remove one mic from your OBS Studio, anyone which you don't want to use. For example, I want to remove this. I will click on remove and it will remove from OBS Studio. Hopefully you understand. Thank you so much.